What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about the importance of panning your melodies, okay? So let's get right into it. This is a beat that I made with a few homies, ISO, DC, Joseph, and Faux Pound, and we got a lot of melodies on this, okay? So it's very important that we pan these melodies and make sure they're not clashing with each other. That way the frequency spectrum isn't filled up in a bad way, okay? So let's listen to this real quick and see what we need to do, if we need to do anything. I've already done some panning. I'll talk about it more in a second. Let's just hear these melodies. Now, when you hear that in the context of the beat with the drums, it's very important you do that as well, and the bass. So you hear that? We got these keys going more towards the right and the guitar going more towards the left. Like, listen how the key and the guitar sound together. We bring these strings in. With this sample chop. Keep that in mind. If you're not panning these melodies and they're all just right there in that middle section, it's going to sound like they're clashing a lot of the times. And also a way to help those frequencies not clash is obviously take some frequencies from some you don't need in there. So for example, like this sample chop, that was pretty quiet. We don't need to do much to that. Strings, maybe we might need to bring a little bit of lows out of the strings. I also stereo separated these strings a little bit with this knob here, just bring it to the left a little bit. Nice to have a synth bus, that way you can kind of do some master EQ on the bus and make sure the whole melodies are kind of just be shaped. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.